Welcome to my Windows Computer and Technology channel. And something weird is happening today. And it's not happening just on this machine. So, my machines were enrolled in Release Preview. Release Preview is the ring that is the closest to what the general, main channel Windows that everybody has, except that you get a few little things a little bit earlier. So today I see that there's this update that is being pushed, and I noticed that the build number is different at 26220. If you look at my update history, it always stayed at 26200. As Release Preview has the same build number as the main channel. But now I see that there's a change there, which I found strange. And what made it even stranger is the name of the Insider build. Windows 11 Insider Preview Feature Update. So I went to see Windows Insider program here. And suddenly I was so surprised to see that it says that I'm on the beta channel. And looking at the choice, Release Preview is not there anymore. And I was on a Release Preview. So this is very bizarre, and I don't know if any of you out there are on Release Preview could check that out. But in my case, it seems that I've been bumped to beta channel without really doing anything. So I thought, well, I'm going to go check my gaming laptop, which is also on Release Preview. And on my gaming laptop, same thing. This new build is trying to install this update, and even on my gaming laptop it says that I'm on the beta channel now, and there's no option for Release Preview. So this is bizarre. It never happened to me that there was an automatic change into a different channel, except if Microsoft had started shuffling the channels into different directions. So is this a bug, or is this what Microsoft wants this to be? But one thing for sure is I never asked to be on the beta channel, which is kind of a little annoying, since that's not where I wanted to go. If I had to go somewhere, I'd put it back down to the normal builds, the ones that everybody has, not move it ahead in a different channel. So anyways, if you are on the Release Preview, how about going to check and see if you're still on Release Preview, or if, boom, you've been moved to a beta channel without you asking for it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.